Our Friendship by Eider and Irache. We born in Basurto in 1999. We stay together in the same room. But Irache born in 15th of October and Eider in 12th of October. When we was children, Eider was weepy baby because he never sleep. When Irache was 4 years, his brothers born, and he was early for him. When Eider was 2 years, she went to nursery, and later that she went to Achuri school, and then she passed good time. After that, she went to Solocoeche, and then to Gabriel Aresti. And we met me. When I am in primary school, I went to Begoña Castolan, and then I went to Gabriel Aresti, and in the second year I met Eider. When we first saw each other, we didn't like it, but the time go on and we start speaking and we become aware we have many things in common. our birthdays are almost on the same day, and we like animals and sports. At the moment, we are best friends and we pass many time together. We will stay all the summer together. And we go to parties, we do sport, and we go to the beach.